Good morning, my friends. Today we are greeting the day. Let's start by putting our hands on our rib cage. Just breathe and feel your rib cage expand. Huh? How about that? Just breathe normal here. Just a couple breaths. Take everything in that's around you. Oh, let's go a little bit side to side. If you have a chair with little arms like me, it's kind of in the way, but we got what we got and it's all fine. It's all good. You're here, right? That is good. Now we only do what feels good to us. We don't force ever. Here we are. Oh. Let's look on one side, see what's going on. Very gentle, we're not forcing, we're not going completely at the end of our range of motion here. Center and other side. Oh, just look around, see, oh, what's going on? We got grapes, wonderful. Maybe I'll show them to you after the class. Just gentle movement, just sending your neck side to side. If your shoulder follows a little bit, that is fine. Don't worry about it. Here, we're just starting. Maybe looking up a little bit. Careful, you don't send your head too way back. And let's look at your knees. Maybe a little higher. And your knees. How about bringing one ear next to our shoulder? And the other. Next time your ear's near one shoulder, just leave it there just for a few breaths here. Maybe extending the opposite arm just a little bit to the side. Feel that? And back to center. Other side. Maybe adding an arm. Everything's optional, you know that. Oh. Hands back on our rib cage. If that's not right for you, bring them down to your hip or leave them on your lap. And this time we're going to take a nice deep breath, if possible, throughout the nose. Big, and exhale slowly. Also through the nose, if possible, if nothing is clogged upstairs. Again. Exhale, upstairs, up there. Oh, relax your arms. Let's lift one shoulder up all by itself and send it back. Okay, you can relax it now. Want to try the other one? Inhale up. Exhale it back and let it drop on its own. Rotate one side and the other. Up and back, let it drop on its own. Up and back. You can go slower than me. Maybe you want a little tiny bit more speed. We never go very fast, you know. A little organic movement with our neck while at it. Oh, you can keep going with your shoulder. Maybe you want to roll forward. Just a little bit. I'm gonna add little circle with my nose. Just little circle. The size of the sun. Not the actual size of the sun. Like when we see it in the sky, little sun. Doing little sun. Maybe you want to do little stars, and that's fine. We all make our own drawings. As long as we don't force, it's good, right? If nothing feels bad, it's good. Little shoulder roll at the same time. Up and back, just like we did. And let's greet the morning air. Oh, I'm greeting you. Maybe you want to greet one end at a time. One arm here, one arm there. Greet. Little reaching, maybe sending the shoulder back and opening the chest just a little bit while doing that. Remember to breathe, maybe inhaling up, exhaling down. Ooh. Inhaling up, greetings. Greetings, they. I greet you. The same way they greet us all those days, saying hello, good morning, good afternoon. Oh, maybe one arm wants to greet and reach up a little bit. Reach up, maybe grab a few clouds. Maybe it's your ceiling, you're indoor. That's all good. Just grab a few clouds. Ooh, slow, slow, slow. Reach, greet your day, and let's grab a few clouds. Just a few clouds. Tummy is in. Huh? Even if it doesn't look like it's in, you know it's tight. That's what's good. Oh, my goodness. Arm behind you. Maybe reaching your arms, your fingers if they want to open the chest, or just bring your arms back. So maybe scoot at the edge of your chair here. Nice inhale. Maybe exhale forward a little bit, lifting the hands up. Neck is super relaxed. Push with your feet. Push, push, push in your feet to come back up. Nice. Whoa, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle all that. Let's just raise our elbows, maybe halfway up. Bring our arm facing the sky, the ceiling. Opening the chest. Elbows are moving back just a little bit. Oh, nice. Exhale. Give yourself a nice big hug here. Oh, maybe a little side to side sway. I always like doing that. A little twist in there too. Again, up and down. Up. Exhale, squeeze the hair out. Keep breathing, of course. Keep breathing, a little side to side. Ooh, relax. Bring your belly button towards me and exhale all the hair out. Inhale all the day air, all the air from the day. Come inside me, oxygen, oxygen it. Oh, nice little cats and cow. You don't have to add the arms. Exhale, deflate. Inhale with a big tummy forward. Exhale it all out. Nice for the spine. Now, looking forward, keep forward. We're just gonna turn our hips. See, I'm just turning my hips a little bit to the side. My arm's gonna reach around my chair. Just a little bit. And then my shoulders and my neck's gonna look what's there. And hello day. Maybe grabbing a few flowers on the side, picking your flowers for a little greeting the day story, right? Grab some bouquet. We call a little bouquet right here. Center, other side, maybe on an exhale, turning just your hip. Keep breathing here. Inhale tall. Now exhale. Your arm back, followed by your shoulder. Inhale tall. Exhale. Relax into your nice little twist here. Maybe grabbing a few more flowers. Don't reach too far. You don't want to force anything here. Nice. Reach. And reach. Oh, wow. Ooh, little wrist circle. You can do one at a time. Right now, I'm just moving my finger up and around, little circle. And let's reverse that. Your hands can be way down, maybe they're right here, like you're holding little puppets that are dancing. Ainsi font, 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 les petites marionnettes. Okay, close your fists, tight, tight, tight. Grab your bouquet, you don't want it to go. The wind is coming. Hold on to your flowers. Hold on, tight, tight. Relax, open. And when you open your fist, stretch your finger away. Just to fan the beautiful bouquet that you've made. Just fan it. And again, grab it tight. The wind is coming. Grab it tight. Tight, tight, close fist. Open your finger, release your bouquet, stretch your finger wide, fanning your flowers. Oh, wow, nice. Maybe a big inhale up. Clap, clap, clap. You did great. Exhale, hands to your chest if that's comfortable. Getting a nice little stretch in the hand at the same time, right? And nice little breath. Just inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Ooh, maybe exhaling through your mouth next time. Let all the air out. Thank you so much for joining me in this chair yoga session. I am Anne-Marie, the yoga storyteller with That's Life Yoga. I'll see you next on the next video. Have a great day. Namaste.